Okay.
You here, little white guy. Can I carry a chicken?
If you can catch one.
I want to catch one really bad. You're supposed to hold it above.
I tried. You got away.
Can I try
Come up
to?
the gate for me, please.
Don't open the door! I wasn't outsmarted. I was just
Oh, no, it saw your move ahead of time.
Rose? Rose?
Okay.
It's okay.
Want me to pet her? I can get it. Oh, I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll get that couple.
This is so hilarious. Awesome. Here, you want to capture this magic?
Yeah, that's a smart move.
Dorothy?
Dorothy.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Take her.
Good job.
She knows who her daddy is.
You can push that round the
Who's your
circle.
daddy?